Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hey, my name is Destiny. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, y'all, so you won't miss another upload. Now, y'all. Whew. Oh, why is there a lash stuck to... Y'all, that's insane. But anyways, y'all, it is Friday, so I hope you all had a good week. By the time this video go up, it's gonna be the beginning of a new week, which is gonna be Sunday. So I hope y'all week start off good when you see this and everything of that nature, because today, y'all, my job been whew, just saying. But I decided to come out here and play some makeup with y'all and also try out the new trends for 2024. Now, if you don't know, the makeup trends are always changing. So I looked up a couple of YouTubes, a couple of TikTokers, and I will link them down below about the changes that they think we're gonna have. And I decided to do a video dedicated to that to see how I like it, how I feel about it, if it's for me, if it's not for me, because I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Some of this stuff I low-key already been doing, but it is what it is. But anyways, we are finna get into this video. We're not gonna hold y'all up, so let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Now I brought y'all in a little bit closer so y'all can see a little bit something, you know, whatever. But also, y'all, I did change the settings on my camera, so let me know if you notice a difference or not. I really don't, but I also really can't see either, so yeah. But anyway, y'all, we finna get right into this video like I said. So of course, you know, we do the brows first, but we gotta prime. So I'm gonna prime around my brow area because I found out that I take my time on my brow, and sometimes this Milk Hydration Primer really just be like, girl, like, be for real. Like, you can't just keep layering me. So I'm going in with this around the eyebrow just so I can have something for there. And then I do the rest of the face when I'm ready to get to that spot. The first thing is, y'all, they said we're going to go away with the fluffy brows, which it doesn't really matter to me because I don't even do that. I tried. I did not like it. Maybe for like a no makeup day, like natural skin like this, but I wasn't a fan of it. So there's how we're gonna go back to the 2016 brow kinda. However, it's gonna be with a twist. It's not gonna be the ombre, like light in the front, dark in the back. It's just gonna look way more natural, and you just add a little product to fill it in. So I'm gonna attempt to do that because I still low-key kind of do the 2016 brow. I like what I like. I'm gonna just go in. I'm gonna still rake them up so I can shape them. All right, so these are the eyebrows. They're filled in my opinion. Like, this already looks weird to me, but anyways, we gotta keep on going. So I'm gonna go in and conceal my brows. Of course, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe concealer in the shade Rich 32 up under. Alright, so now that the eyebrows are kind of done, we're going to go ahead and do the eyeshadow. Now, eyeshadow, y'all, I heard they're bringing back a little bit color. Not too much, not 2016, like smoky, boldish, yeah, but they're bringing back color. So, since Sunday is St. Patrick's Day, I'm going to do some green eyeshadow. Maybe on the cool tone, because I heard like cool tone eyeshadow is coming back. I don't know about that, but we're gonna do some eyeshadow. The eyes are primed to the best of my abilities. So I'm gonna take two ColourPop palettes. So for my crease, of course, I'm gonna take the ColourPop Feeling Toasty palette, and then for the actual green part, I'm gonna do the Super Bloom right here for St. Patrick's Day. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so pretty. My camera, come on now. But yeah, this is so pretty. Oh, and then for my base, I use the P. Louise Rumor base in the shade 5. Start this out, so I'm gonna take this shade Cozy Vibes, and I'm gonna put it in the crease. So I do have hooded eyes, y'all, so like I have to like look up, like, yeah, like right there. So I know it's a little different, y'all, but I think I want to do a twist on this cool tone makeup trend. So yeah, like I think I want to do like, I've been wanting to do a winged eyeliner look, so I think that I just want to do it in this video and like call it a day. So this part of the video is not in the trend, so don't think it is, please. It's not. It's just me being extra, that's all. Alright, so the crease is somewhat creasing. Still got some work to do on cut creases, y'all, because I've never been that good. And I don't know what makes me want to be rebellious tonight, because I cannot do eyeshadow, but we're going to go along with it. But next we're going to go in with some greens. What color do you think I should do? Like, look at that. Maybe Photo Spot. So this is Photo Spot. I'm going to try this one. Let me swatch it. Yeah, this is so pretty. Like, yeah, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. That's what it look like. Next, I'm gonna do a wing liner. Yeah, I'm being bold today, but I'm gonna do a wing liner with the Kiss All Day Ink eyeliner. It's a little felt tip, so. Alright, y'all, so I think this eye is done for the most part. So I'm gonna go in and do this eye, and then I'm gonna be right back. So this is what the eyes look like. I have to change a little bit up, and they're still uneven because this eye folds a little differently. But mind that, like, y'all, the eyeshadow is so pretty. I need to learn how to blend more. Once I get my blending down, everything else is gonna come. But anyway, we're gonna get into this face, y'all. So I wiped off all the excess because the eyeshadow is like, you know, like got fallout, of course. So I cleaned majority, not all, cause I feel like there's a lot of glitter down here. I'm going with my Hydro Grip Primer again and just sit it all over the face. Alright, so we're gonna go in with the Morphe foundation. Y'all know I already did a review on this. This is their new one, so if you want to see that one, I will probably put the video down below somewhere. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, and this is in the shade Deep 30. Now I know in the video, y'all, this one was a little bit dark in the end, but I went a shade up. I did a TikTok on it and it was too light. Like, I don't know, I need a middle shade. I don't know, but this one is better for in my opinion, so I'm gonna stick with the one I have. So it's gonna look a little dark at first, but we're gonna get it together. All right, I'm gonna go in with my usual, my concealer. This is in the shade Rich 32 once again, and just put it here. And I'm going with my lighter shade. This is the MAC concealer in the shade NC45. And while that sits, I am going to, where is it? So for this step, they're saying we're doing a cool tone base. I'm warm. I don't know about cool tone base as well, but I do have a cool tone concealer right here. This is Juvia's Place in the shade 3. I did do a review on this maybe like a couple videos back if you want to go back and look. But I was talking about how compared to the Sephora one, it is very cool tone on my skin. So I'm going to go in and show y'all exactly what it looks like. Like, look. Like, that is cool tone in my base. It might not be on camera right now or whatever, but like in person, that's definitely cool tone. I'm gonna do it like this, y'all. I kind of hate how big their thing is because trying to get the nose part down is insane. So next y'all, we're gonna do blush, and apparently they're getting a array of like the bright pink blush, and they're going back to more of a neutral, like more so like a skin tone type blush. I don't know, and I really only have pink blushes now, so I'm gonna go in with this elf right here. This is Suave Mauve, I think. Yes, this should be Suave Mauve. Yeah, yes, it is Suave Mauve. And I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna just put it on here to see what happens, so it don't need to be too bright, and I don't want to take away from the eyeshadow either, so makes sense. Now I'm gonna go in and blend out the concealer. It's a little bit dried down. It's a little bit dried down, y'all, because of, you know, me talking, doing the rest of the face, since those were part of the new trends. So I'm gonna take my Milk setting spray right here and spray it on my brush that I'm blending with. Ooh. So we can wind it up some, and I'm just shaking it to get it out the way. Y'all, I can't stop looking at my eyeshadow. Like, it is so pretty. I don't like, oh my gosh. So, but now I'm going in to blend, of course. Now we're gonna go in and set. So of course y'all already know, take my other setting brush, because you know your girl got two, and just set all of my concealer in place. The under eye set and everything out, but now I'm gonna go in and bake with my little powder puff. Alright, so while that is baking, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Mocha Mommy. I know this is a little warm, but I don't have nothing else cool tone, so this is gonna have to just work for now. And I'm not gonna put a lot, as you can see. A couple dabs and I'm done. And before I do my blush, I'm gonna wipe all of this off. So just take all the excess off my face. Also, yeah, I think it might be time for a new setting powder, because right now it's like it's not combining with the products. I have no idea, but I think I need a new setting powder. So if y'all know any recommendations, let me know below. I do want to try, what is it, the One Size setting powder. And then next I'm gonna go in with my One Size blush right here, y'all. I know I said supposed to be looking neutral, and it does, but I need a little oomph or something. So I'm gonna go in with Rosebud right here, because I need something, I need a little oomph. Hopefully it doesn't intensify too much. So yeah, that's pretty. Like, not a lot, but just enough. Yeah. Next, I'm gonna go finish off the eyes and everything. So I'm gonna take, where is it? So I'm finished off the eyes and everything. I figured this eyeshadow might have had a little bit of fallout, so I did not do my lashes, but I'm gonna go in and do some individuals right quick, real quick and easy. I cannot do them on camera. If you want a separate video dedicated to these, like a short or so, let me know below. I kind of did one before, but it wasn't really good, so I will redo it for y'all if I need to. So let me know below if you want videos on how I do my individual lashes. Alright, so the lashes are done, y'all. They look so good. I think they really just elevated this look more. But now I'm gonna go in and do my bottom lashes. I'm gonna use the Kiss lashes, the Volume and Define, because it has a soft tip right here. It has a fine tip like this, which is the reason why I'm gonna use it. And I don't think I'm gonna put any yeah, I think I should put, no, I don't think I should. I said maybe some bottom eyeliner, but I don't think so. So I'm just go in and do these right here. All right, so next we are finna do highlight. So they're not doing like the shimmer highlight. It's kind of like going back to like the neutral, like where it looks, it's on there, but you really can't tell like that natural within glow. Like I really don't need it, but I'm gonna add some anyway. So I'm gonna take this Anastasia highlight in the shade Dazzling Bronze. This thing is old, like, yeah, this thing about like 7-8 years old, and it's still some in here. Of course I'm gonna still use it. I'm gonna take this brush right here. I need to find me another highlighter brush because I'm pretty sure this is not meant for highlighting, but I use it for highlighting. So y'all see like that natural within glow? Yeah, they're trying to go back into that because I've been using my glitter highlight, so they're going back into like subtle. All right, y'all, so the last thing we're doing is lips. And so for lips, y'all, they're saying they're getting back into, you know, that black lip with the lip gloss, you know, all that, like that dark lip or like a bold lip. But of course I'm not gonna do a bold lip with this type of eyeshadow look, so I'm gonna do like a neutral lip. Of course I'm going to take the Kat Von D lip liner. It's in the shade Black. Oh, why is it okay? Is it broke? I think it's broke, but we're just gonna take some. I did one line because I do not want to make it too dark, because I'm gonna take my MAC pencil in the shade Chestnut. Let me sharpen it. Like, look how short this is, y'all. That means I've been using this thing, like, yeah. But like, oh, why is there lashes everywhere? Like, what? All right, sharpen it a little bit, and I'm gonna just go over with that C to give it like the little ombre effect-ish. I just blended everything, make sure it looks good, and then I took my makeup wipe to like get the center off because I don't want nothing in the center, to give it that dark lip liner look with like nothing, like, you know. Yeah, but I'm gonna take my NYX butter gloss right here, y'all. This one is in the shade Butterscotch, and I'm gonna put it in the center of my lip. Now, all right, everyone, now this is the final look of the face. So, you know, we did a little natural beat. Well, I didn't say natural, but we did like more toned down beat than normal. We tried all the new trends for 2024 that's supposed to happen, but this is what it looks like. I actually like it, but I'm pretty sure my favorite will probably be the eyeshadow. Like, I don't know, it's just so pretty to me. But this is what it looks like, y'all. So let me know what trends you think you're gonna do for 2024. Me personally, I might stick with the blush. I'm happy that the pop of color is coming back in. I was already doing an eyebrow, so that doesn't even matter. But let me know what trends you want to take from this video as far as what we're doing and what's new and etc. But yeah, so y'all, I just love, like, I don't know, I think I'm gonna like this 2024 makeup. I don't know, we're gonna see. But anyways, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are almost at 500 subscribers, so go ahead, give your girl a like, give it a thumbs up. Of course, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. Now, I will see y'all in the next video. So if you have any questions, concerns, whatever about makeup, etc., leave it in the comments and I'm gonna answer it for y'all. But anyways, y'all, once again, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.